So this is my SBB unboxing video. This shipment was delayed by a day thanks to UPS. So we got a sticker, no number, and let's see what we got in here. We have the volcano ash mushroom. It's a little closed up, but I think it's okay. True test for SBB here, 2 days. My Four Locos. I don't know about that one. It's really colored down. There's some tissue loss there. No polyps open. We have the Dragon Coaster. I think there's a little bit of polyp still showing on that one, but I gotta get that open soon, get it in the tank. There we go, 2 ice packs. And let's see, we had got Kermit the Frog. I think that one's still doing okay. We might make that work. And we have a no-name acro. Very colored down, but nice. Oh, we got some polyp extension on the freebie. No name on the plug for that one. And we got the Grab It mushroom. That might be on its edge. We'll see. We got the hyper yellow. Let's see here. That actually still looks pretty good. Into the end here, we got the mystery signature with some polyp extension. And we got a no-name mushroom. It's a little faded, but I think it'll be okay. Oh, what do we have here? We have the Special K, and that looks to have some polyp extension, colored down a little bit. And that's it for my unboxing video, guys.